How to load the next scene, part 1, create a new scene. Guys, we'd like to switch to the next level whenever the player touch this shield. Guys, I don't know why, but my scene folder is inside the script folder, so I will put it again inside the asset folder to be much more organized. And let's see how to create a new level. To create a new level we can do as we did in the first videos, but I will show you a fastest process for a learning process. Guys, you just have to duplicate this scene, and you have to change the name level 1 by level 2. Guys, I will change the background easily, and even to put some more purse, let's say, above those stairs. And here later I will put a kind of cannon. So guys, let's go on level 2, double click on it. We are inside the level 2, even if it looks like the level 1. We will erase first the background. As I've told you, this is very easy. Please guys, choose inside the tool cube forest folder, the background folder, choose any of these which looks pleasant for you. I will take this one. I will take it, guys, and I will rearrange by using the scale tool and so on. So we can do that like faster. So guys, here is my background. We cannot see the player anymore, and even the other, the first background, because of we have to rearrange the sorting layer. So guys, if you click to the new background, please add here the order in layer -1. Now we can see the old background. We'll erase it. So go to ground and background and erase this one. So delete this one and take the new background and put it inside the ground and background folder to be much more organized. Now guys, we will add some purses as I've told you just above. You just have to copy and paste here. So guys, here is the result. I've put, as I've told you, many purses above all the stairs. And even guys, for the second level, at the end we will erase the shield and replace it by the coin that I find out inside the retro sound folder, and inside the demo folder you've got a coin folder. I take the first one. So guys, let's erase this shield. As I told you, the shield here is somewhere, something is here, sorry guys. So I will delete this one, and I will take the gold last collectible and put it inside the collectible folder. So guys, as for the purses, you have to set a box collider 2D and even an audio source, guys. Let's do that. So let's select the gold and let's add here a box collider 2D. Okay guys, and let's set even an audio source here. We will set all these kind of things later. So guys, do not forget to save your level 2. So file and save here, and let's return to the first level. So inside the asset folder you've got a scene folder, and let's return here. Okay guys, you remember where our goal is to switch from the level 1 to the level 2 whenever the player touch this shield. To create a new scene, guys, you just need to duplicate your last level and add some new assets from the project window.